In the previous video, we created a program. Now let's go ahead and create a course that we can add to that program. To do that, I just click on Create Course. As you can see, the Create Course page is very similar to the Create Program page. First, we should check to make sure that we're in the correct organization to be making this content. And everything else is pretty much the same. Let's give this a course name. I'm going to call it Creating Content. Let's give it a course summary. The summary will be Learn how to create content on the Blickel universe. And we'll give it a description, learn how to use the Blickel tools to create content. Now obviously when you're making your own courses, you are going to want to put more detail into the summary and the description, because that way people who are searching for your content will have an easier time finding it. Like with programs, we will soon be able to upload an icon if you'd like to add that to your tile. And the only thing that's really different here is we have a drop-down right here where we can assign this course to a program. Now we don't need to do this at this stage. You can just create a course that's not attached to a program, but I want to go ahead and attach this to my program. Welcome to Blickel, start here. Now when I do that, it's going to ask me a question about the color scheme. It's going to ask, do you want this to match the program color, or do you want to pick a new color for this course? I'm going to want this to inherit the program color. That way everything will be consistent. All right, as you can see, I will be attaching this course to the program Welcome to Blickel, start here. As with programs, we can make this private, protected, or public. In general, I recommend that you make all of your content the same privacy level if it's attached to each other in a hierarchy. So for example, if you're attaching program, course, unit, lesson, I encourage you either make them all private, make them all public, or make them all protected hidden, or make them all protected visible. It's easier to adjust things if they're all the same privacy level in the future. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for making a course, and so we'll go ahead and hit the button. When I create the course, I will be brought back to the Creation Center. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on my Blickel since I made it public. All right, here was my program again, and now you can see that we have one course inside of there. That will be updated for all of your students if you've made it public. When we click, we can see the new tile, the new icon for our course that we just made, Creating Content. As you can see, it has 0 units in it. That makes sense because we haven't added any units to it. And if we try to go there, our students or we will get a message that there's no content yet in that course. So we'll go back to the dashboard, back to the Creation Center, and the next thing there is to do is go ahead and create a unit to put inside of the course that we just made.